वेलकम बैक। आज हम एक कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट के लॉन्च पर आए हैं जिसका नाम है क्रिसेंट वेस्टर्न ट्रेड सेंटर टर्मिनल 2। टर्मिनल 2 इसलिए बिकॉज इट इज़ नियर द इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट। इट इज़ अ कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट, ऐसे मैं बता चुकी हूँ, और इसका आज लॉन्च है। सो वी आर ओवर टू जेनी, शी इज़ इनटू सेल्स ऑफ क्रिसेंट. So welcome Jenny.
Thank you Shruti.
It's a pleasure for us to be on the launch as a channel partner. So please can you brief us about the project, what are the details and yeah.
So Western Trade Center in itself is the Terminal 2 one is the third branch.
Okay.
We've first come up with Western Trade Center in Daisar.
Okay.
Then Goregaon and now in T2. So those two are work in process and we're all sold out on those.
You're sold out over there. Oh, wow,
yeah.
That's great.
So now focusing on T2.
Okay.
It is you're looking into a ground plus 10 elevation.
Okay.
You have 13 suites per floor.
Okay.
With amazing carpet sizes, very thought of, very well designed and very premium luxury products that we are coming off with.
So what would be the minimum carpet?
So you're starting off by 528, 500 to 900 is where you look. And you have further jodi options wherein you can do 500 to 3000 square feet also by mixing up jodis on the floor.
So is it possible that somebody wants to buy the entire floor plate or half floor plate? Is it possible?
So kind of yes, but now we are almost 50 to 60% sold out.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
So
I think Crescent has already a good name.
Yes.
So launch होने से पहले.
Plus, like I told you, 2 launches have always helped us.
Right.
It is now a campaign. It's a thing that is out in the market. Everyone knows about Crescent. So that way, yes. But any inquiries, anything that comes up, we'll be here.
So can you brief me more about the project, as in the parking spaces, the amenities?
So we are giving you basement car park.
Okay.
You have stacks, so you have a 15 feet long basement height.
Okay.
So whatever stack size you fit in a Fortuner, you fit in an SUV, anything and we don't give you car lifts. Okay, we don't promote car lifts. We give you ramps. So that is one luxury in itself.
That's a USP.
Yes.
Nowadays in Mumbai.
And for a 10 floor building, have you ever heard having a 6,000 square feet lobby?
Oh, no, I am not.
That has never crossed 1,500 or 2,000 square feet ever. That is the highest side I'm talking about. We are matching lobby sizes. We are bringing in new fashion wherein you need big networking spaces at your commercial space, and that is the least. That is not luxury. That is the bare minimum that we are giving.
Wow, that's so great. Any other amenities?
Nothing better than undisrupted views of the airport. Complete landing, takeoff, terminal, T2, everything is right in front of you.
So Jenny, tell me, is there any other space where we can chill out or feel more, अगर बोर हो गए ऑफिस से?
I'm so glad you asked. अभी for example first, second, third floor पे किसी की offices है.
Right.
Their best investment would be going up on the terrace deck. That is my entire viewing deck.
Oh, wow.
So you have a Zen mode there, you have a horizon zone there, you have a sky lounge there, wherein you sit, relax, enjoy the view. I think that is the best way to network.
And then again with the type of sunset, and you said
sunset is going to be the charm of this building. Going up at 6:30, just relaxing, just walking out, just networking. That is the best
somebody
time.
wants to have their meetings post their office timings. That's also possible, right? Yeah.
It is not always necessary that you bring your client up to the cabin.
Yeah, that's right.
You have a networking zone in the lobby. You have an amazing sunset networking at the terrace, so don't miss out on that.
Done.
Yeah.
So you should really come and have a look and actually feel for yourself the look and the feel. Just watch the planes take off and land and the beautiful runway. So please do come to Crescent and book your office as soon as possible.